Well, welcome to Meijer this week. We have corn. You can grab 5 of them for just $1 this week, which is a really great deal. And if you can do the work yourself, it's definitely cheaper than grabbing them already shucked. Ground beef this week for 80% lean ground beef is actually buy one, get one free. So you notice here, these are roughly $10.53. So if you grab 2 pounds worth here, you're going to get them for about 4 pounds for about $10-11. Really great deal here on the Oscar Mayer bacon. It's buy one get one free, normally priced $6.29, so that's going to leave you at about $3.15 each, which is a great stock up price for some bacon. Another really great deal are going to be the Ballpark Franks. These are just $1.50 each when you buy 2 or more, so you need to grab at least a minimum of 2 of them for $3, which is cheaper than just one single one at $3.69. So great stock up price there as well. Don't forget to check your in-perks and see if you happen to have this $1 off one on the Ballpark Franks. That's going to make 2 of them just $2, which is an amazing deal. Another really great deal on some strawberries here. This is a huge thing of strawberries for $2.99, and I have $1 off one digital in-perk, making it just $1.99. Great deal. Check your in-perks. Lunchables this week are buy 3, get 1 free. They're normally priced at $1.95. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $5.85 for 4 of them, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times, so it leaves you at $4.85 or $1.21 each. We actually have a really amazing deal on this Stouffer's, like family size lasagnas or whatever you might want here, entrees. These are regularly priced $9.99. They're on sale for $8.49. We have a 4-off-1 coupon. Now it does look like it just applies to the ones that are $14.49, but that's not the case. They are attaching to the $8.49, so that leaves you out of pocket with $4.49, but it gets better. You can submit to Ibotta and get 2 back on one, leaving it at just $2.49. A whole meal for your family for $2.49. That is an amazing deal. All right, we have a really great deal on Philadelphia cream cheese this week. It's regularly priced $3.15. We want to grab 2 of them to get them for the $5 price, or $2.50 each. And then on top of it, we're going to submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on one. That's going to leave you at $1.25 for each brick. Now you'll notice that the cream cheese from Meijer is regularly priced at $1.95. So this is actually a better deal than buying the generic. So my store has obviously been wiped, but if you like these like jumbo snacks type of products here, they are on clearance for $3.23 at my store. There's actually the Apple Jacks, the Tiger Paws, and then down here is the keto cereal, dark chocolate. So that's something different. That's $1.26. So there you go. There's some clearance deals that you may want to grab. All right, so this deal's not for everybody, but I want to highlight that you need to make sure that you have your address all loaded into your in-perks account, because they're going to send you coupons like this one for a free Meijer gourmet crackers for $2.89. We have this, and it's going to be completely free with this coupon that I just got, so make sure that it's loaded so they send coupons to you every single month. So we do have a buy 5, save 5 mix or match deal that is going on right now at Meijer, and Crystal Light is a part of this deal. These are normally priced $2.79, on sale for $2.49, but when you buy in multiples of 5, you're going to get it for $1.49 each. Now, if you grab at least one of these and you pay $1.49, you can submit to coupons.com for $1 back on one, making just one of these 49 cents, which is actually a pretty decent deal. My favorite is the grape. Have you ever tried this? It's amazing. What is your favorite? Future Shana here. So I actually kind of messed this deal up in store, but it's a pretty simple fix. We do have a $1 off 2 coupon back from the Shop Mium rebate app instead of the coupons.com app. So you're actually going to be able to grab 2 of these for $1.49 each, submit to Shop Mium, get $1 back. So it ends up being 99 cents each. Still an amazing deal, but I wanted to make sure I corrected that. One other thing I noticed that I'm kind of excited about is you can grab these 6 pitcher packets, makes 12 quarts worth for the same exact price of just $1.49. That's a really great deal. You're going to get a whole lot more than you will for those little 10 count individual packs. So if you're on the go, you would definitely want to grab those, but this is a really great deal too, especially with no coupons. Again, with the 5 for $5, we have some General Mills cereals for $3.49 each, normally priced $5.29, and that's after you mix and match, and you have to buy a minimum of 5 participating items. But these are the family size cereals, including like the large size Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which happens to be my family's favorite, but I love Rocket, so I wanted to make sure we showed that. Another buy 5, save $5 deal we have here is the Northern, or Quilted Northern bath tissue. It's normally priced $7.29. It is $6.49 on sale, but with $1 off, it's $5.49. Plus, we have $1 off one in perk, making it just $4.49 for one of these. Not a bad deal here. All right, moving on with the buy 5 here, we have a deal on the Lysol laundry sanitizer. This is the 41 ounce. It is regularly priced $7.69. It's on sale for $7.29, but just a $6.29 each when you buy multiples of 5. Now, let me check real quick. We have a 2 off 1 in perk, so make sure that's loaded. You're going to pay $4.29 out of pocket, and then submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on 1. That leaves you at a final price of just $1.79 for one of these, which is a pretty decent deal. All right, guys, I just happened to notice this. We do have these 48 ounce for Downy Refresh, Rinse and Refresh. They're $13.59. Buy 2, get a $5 off coupon, or it'll be a Catalina that prints for your next transaction. Plus, we should have an Ibotta rebate for $6.50 back on 1. I think it's a limit of 1 time. I'll have to double check that deal, but that might make it worth grabbing this for you. Now, it looks like you could mix and match with the Tide. So if you're only wanting to grab one of those to get that $5 coupon, you could do something like with the Tide, or maybe another P&G product here in this aisle. I almost missed this deal. I couldn't find it. The Bic Easy Rinse for women or for men. They do have them in here, but they're hidden pretty good. They're regularly priced $6.99. There is a 2 off 1 in perk. That's going to be $4.99 out of pocket, but then we're going to submit to Ibotta for $5 back on 1. Makes it completely free. Now, if you don't want the women's, there are the men's as well for the exact same deal. And just submit to Ibotta and get this for completely free. So I just finished checking out. One thing I did notice that my Stouffer's meal, the $4 coupon, did not come off, even though it's showing as a participating product in the app. So I'm going to call customer service and ask about that. But I also got a couple of things I wanted to show you. I got a couple Catalinas that printed a save $1.50 off of 4 Crystal Light powdered beverage mixes. So that'll go really, really well with the buy 5. We also have the cereal, save $1, and I didn't buy any cereal, so that just came with it. And then we also got a $1.50 on any 2 of the Stouffer's as well, so those will go with, if you want to do the deals again. So I know many of you have been with me for quite a while, and you know of my little one Carmen, who used to come shopping with me quite often in the years past. Well, today she just graduated from kindergarten. Super proud of my girl, and I wanted to share that with all of you. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will be back with you at a later date. Bye, guys.